You will notice that, like the previous videos, addition and subtraction, we have now multiplication. You'll notice it up here at the top. If you're familiar, this icon will simply print out what your problem is or what your answer is. Here you'll just simply click inside here and type in your name. Now you'll notice that we have, here's column A, B, C, D, there's nothing in D, E, F, and G. And we have rows 1 through 19. Now, in column A, we have some problems. Here we have 4 times 4, and you place your answer here, and this checks to make sure your answer is correct. How does that work? Well, first of all, this is cell A4, because this equation is located in cell column A and in row 4. This is cell B4, because it's located in column B and it's located in row 4. And this is cell C4 because it's located in column C and you can see it's located in row 4. Now what you have to do here is multiply 4 times 4 and the answer is 16. And when you do that, it says great job. I'm going to come down here, and on this one we're located in cell B9, and we'll type in the answer. 5 times 5 is 25. Great job. Now over here we'll notice we have column F, and in F4 or cell F4 we have 4 times 12, and in here the answer is 48. Great job. However, if you make an incorrect answer like 5 times 11, I'm going to say is 22, and it's going to say try again. Why is that? Because when I click on this cell G5 relative to this cell F5, I double click inside here, and it says in F5 the answer should be 55. If the answer is correct, it jumps to this area right here. It's separated by a comma. Great job. If it's incorrect, it says try again. So I'm going to go back here and change that to cell, and that cell the answer is 55. Now this is relatively simple to do, and you can modify these for your own multiplication. For example, over here I'm going to click inside, and I'm going to say, just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to say 10 times 3. Okay, 10 times 3, the answer is obviously 30. However, this is cell B4. So I'm going to click inside here, and in cell B4 I have to change that 16 to a 30. And I'm going to click it, and when I do that you'll see it says try again. So if I go back in here and change it to the correct answer, 30, it will say great job. The point being that you can go through here and change all of these to whatever you like. And if you change this equation here, you must also check it here by double clicking inside, and relative to cell B4 in this example, right? Now down here, now remember, I'm going to click here, and this is relative to cell B9. So in cell B9, it has to be 25 or whatever number you save it to or change it to. Hopefully all of these made sense. Now there's more things that we can do, but this is a beginning, and you can see this is more interesting, and you can create your own lessons and put your name in there and print it out. Well, hopefully all of this made sense, and we'd like to thank you for watching. Oh, one other thing. When you bring this up off the website, you must hit enable editing. If you don't do that, it won't allow you to adjust your spreadsheet. Thank you again for watching our video.